Okay, year 6, long multiplication. This is a question that popped up on the SAT last year in the arithmetic test. I'm going to show you how to work it out. First thing you need to do is to write down the number and set it out properly. So we've got 6,574 on the top and 31 on the bottom. And we're multiplying. So the first thing we do in long multiplication is multiply the top number by the units. So we're going to multiply 6,574 by 1. So to do that, we could just write 6,574 because we're multiplying by 1, but we're going to do it properly. We're going to go through each digit at a time. So we do 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 6 is 6. So we've done the first part, and if you wanted to, you could just write down at the side that we've done 1 times 6,574. Now we've got to multiply 6,574 by 30. So to do that, to make it easier for ourselves, we're going to put a placeholder, a 0, into the units column. I'm just going to rub that out because it looks like a 6, and that is really important in your SATs, that you must make sure your digits look like the right digits. So put a placeholder in there, so that now means I'm timesing by 30, but I can say to myself I'm timesing by 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. Put my 2 into the tens column, and I'm going to carry my 1 over. 3 times 7 is 21, add on the 1. So I'm going to cross that out. 3 times 7 is 21, add on 1 is 22. Put my 2 into the hundreds column, and I carry on my 2 tens. 3 times 5 is 15, add on the 2 we carried is 17. So I put my 7 into the thousands column, and I carry on my 1. And 3 times 6 is 18, add on 1 is 19. So I just write my 19 down. So I've now done 6,574 times by 30. So to put 31 back together, 30 and 1, I've got to add them together. So I'm going to add my answers together. I'm going to do that as a column addition. So 4 add 0 is 4. 7 add 2 is 9. 5 add 2 is 7. 6 add 7 is 13. So I've got to carry my 1 again. 9 add 1 is 10. I'm carrying my 1, and 1 add 1 is 2. So my final answer is, if we put a comma in after the first 3 digits, I've got 203,794. So my answer to my original SATs question, and I would have got 2 marks for this question, would be 203,794.